Are you losing sleep over regulatory hurdles? Missing critical legal details can derail groundbreaking peptide research, costing years and immense investment. Welcome to Law of the Lab with Anya Sharma, your guide to navigating biotech compliance. Today, we're dissecting the intricate regulatory environment surrounding peptide research compounds. Understanding this landscape isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about strategically safeguarding your innovation, ensuring your discoveries can actually reach the market. Let's delve in. Peptide research compounds are vital for modern biological and biochemical investigations in various lab settings. Scientists study these short amino acid chains for potential insights into metabolism and cellular signaling. However, these compounds exist within a complex regulatory environment, often confusing researchers and teams. The primary challenge isn't scientific innovation, but navigating specific governmental regulation effectively. U.S. Food and Drug Administration oversight heavily depends on how compounds are marketed. Peptide research compounds are frequently labeled research use only, or not for human consumption. These labels signal strict intent for laboratory research, not personal or clinical applications. Legally, substances for human use require extensive FDA approval processes and trials for market entry. This rigorous process takes years and substantial investment for new drug development pathways. Consequently, many suppliers market peptide research compounds exclusively for laboratory investigations. Yet, regulatory intent matters more than labels. Marketing implying human use is critical. The FDA may then classify these compounds as unapproved new drugs requiring careful compliance. This can trigger enforcement actions, including warning letters or product seizures by authorities. Peptide research compounds thus operate in a gray area between innovation and enforcement guidelines. This structure enables quick research progress but increases responsibility for all stakeholders. FDA monitors these compounds closely, especially concerning blurred lines in marketing approaches. Recent warning letters address companies promoting unapproved peptide-based products inappropriately. The regulatory maze for research compounds is clearly intricate, extending beyond mere labeling to deep strategic considerations. Navigating this demands precision. To stay ahead of these complex intersections of science and law, ensure you follow me, Anya Sharma, and subscribe to Peptides.today for cutting-edge insights. We translate dense regulatory frameworks into actionable strategies, helping your research thrive without compliance missteps. Next, let's examine quality control challenges. Regulatory compliance extends beyond labeling. How compounds are sourced and used matters. Quality control presents another significant risk within the research peptide market today. Unlike approved drugs, most research compounds lack full good manufacturing practices known as GMP. GMP standards regulate materials, synthesis, equipment, testing, and comprehensive documentation for quality. Without strict GMP oversight, peptide research compound quality can vary significantly between batches. Common quality issues include impurities, incorrect concentrations, and mislabeling of identity. Furthermore, degradation from improper storage or contamination from poor handling can compromise research. Even minor variations in peptide quality can detrimentally affect experimental research outcomes. Poor quality compounds compromise data integrity, waste valuable research time, and undermine reproducibility. Experienced researchers prioritize supplier transparency and rigorous third-party testing for reliability. Third-party lab testing provides essential safeguards in this loosely regulated market segment. Reputable suppliers often provide certificates of analysis, verifying purity, weight, and concentration accuracy. Verifiable lab reports are crucial for evaluating research compounds, surpassing general marketing claims. The FDA has also flagged risks regarding certain compounded peptides used in research contexts. These concerns reinforce the need for careful handling and robust quality controls for all peptides. The online gray market for research compounds includes both responsible and unreliable sellers. This lack of uniform oversight allows low-quality products to circulate alongside legitimate research materials. Ultimately, proactive compliance isn't a burden, it's a strategic imperative. Understanding and respecting regulatory expectations allows peptide research to flourish without unnecessary risk, bolstering data integrity. For continued insights into the nuanced law of the lab, please follow me, Anya Sharma, and Peptides.today. We're committed to guiding your innovation. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.